how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you just want to find it on Steam. I'm just going to do it for this game because I have not installed it yet. So you just want to right click on it, go to properties, then you will go into installed files and you just want to select verify integrity of the game files. Now, once you have done this first step, we can proceed to the next one, which is going to be going into graphics, or just opening up search and searching for graphics settings. Here we want to go into, or we are already taken to graphics settings. So here you just want to turn off hardware acceleration. It should be underneath optimization for Windows games. Now, if you have it, of course, I don't have it, so I shouldn't worry about that. Instead, we will click on Add Desktop App, and here we are just going to find Forza Horizon 6. After you add it to the list here, make sure you click on it to expand it. And for GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance. In optimizations for Windows games, we are going to turn this off. Now, once we have done this, the very last thing which I suggest doing is going to be checking your drivers. So graphics drivers, open up either AMD or the NVIDIA software, and you want to click on manage updates to the right here. I'm going to select yes. And afterwards, if you see any updates for your software or the chipset drivers, you just want to install those and restart your PC. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.